Open Rebuzz POS and go to Product. Click on Items. To create a composite item, we first need to create the item components. Let's say we are making a hot rum punch. For that, we need rum, lime juice, and honey. Let's create the rum item first. Tap the Add icon and write rum in the item name. Then choose the category. Scroll down and select Volume as the inventory type, since it is purchased in milliliters. Turn on Track Stock. You will see two text fields. In stock means how many milliliters of rum you currently have. Let's say we have 3,000 milliliters of rum. Low stock is the level at which you want to get notified, so we write 300 milliliters there. Then save it. One component is created. Now repeat the same steps for honey and lime juice. Next, let's create the hot rum punch. Tap the Add icon and write Hot Rum Punch in the item name, then choose its category. Enter its price. Let's say 1,000 rupees. For inventory type, select Each. Then turn on Composite Item. Select lime juice and enter the amount required to make one hot rum punch. For example, 10 milliliters. Do the same for rum and honey, adding the correct milliliters for each component. Then save it. Every time you sell a hot rum punch, the stock of its components will be reduced automatically, making it easy to track your business inventory, even for composite items.